Hey guys, welcome back. I am going to show you today how I got this look here using my BH Cosmetics Sweet Shop Bubblegum palette. So if you're interested in seeing this, stick around. We're going to get started in just a second. Before we do, if you're new here, hi, I'm Annie. I am a 40-something lover of color who believes you can have fun with color at any age. If that sounds interesting, if you'd like to see a little more color in your timeline, if you love color and indie makeup as much as I do and as much as I know my subscribers here do, I would love it if you enjoyed today's video, if you would subscribe down below. Okay. That's out of the way, and I think I don't have much to say. I did do a first impression using this palette along with the Cotton Candy palette, so I will link that up here in the eye, wherever that eye belongs, and in the description box below. And now we are just going to go ahead and dive right into this tutorial. I'm going to start with the shade Single Scoop, which is this shade here, and it's the darkest one in the palette. We're going to pop this here in the outer V.
I got this weight on my shoulders, slowing me down. I don't know how it came about.
And then I'm going to take a small-ish brush to blend that edge out using the shade Sweetened, which would be the shade here. So I'm just going to pick that up, I think, on this little Morphe M456. And I'm literally just going to blend that edge.
While the world is spinning faster every night, I feel I'm stuck in reverse somehow. But it ain't no one's fault that I am stuck here. No one to blame this on, feeling so hopeless.
All right, that's going pretty quickly, pretty easily. Now I'm going to pick up the shade Bubbles, which is this kind of mid-tone here. And I'm going to pick that up on my Morphe M433. And I'm going to blend that all through my crease.
Salt on my wounds when I shouldn't stay. I feel the pressure on me.
Should not have taken it in so close here. That's better.
How it's itching under my own skin. It's getting real hard to breathe. I gotta move on.
Great. And then last but not least, we are going to go in with the shade Chili. So we're going to use every single matte shade in this palette. I'm going to pick that up on my Luxie small tapered blending brush. This is the 231. And this I want to pop more in that extreme inner corner here.
Right now. I feel the pressure.
That is a really pigmented light blue. My gosh, that's so great. Wow. Then I just want to come back here and beef up Single Scoop just a bit more, especially on this side.
A force of habit to point at another mistake, but two wrongs don't make one right.
Okay, I'm really loving the way this is looking. This is turning out really nicely and so easily, thank goodness, because it is early. It is 5:30 and it is my first day of work. Oh. Picking up a little bit of my NYX Glitter Primer, of course. We're going to go ahead and kind of cut the crease a bit. And now we're going to go into that shade that I have been eyeing since we're going to start with a light shade. I think I'm going to start with Frozen, which is this shade here. And then we're going to go into Sweet Tooth.
Together
That is so pretty. I'm actually going to use a different brush because I don't want to mix them up on that brush like I did the other day. That didn't work out so well for me. That shade Sweet Tooth is just as gorgeous as I hoped it would be. Oh my god, that is beautiful. Just beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye. I don't even have words. So gorgeous. Okay, I'm just going to take my that first brush I started with here, and I'm going to get the cat hair off of it, and I'm just going to kind of blend this together here. I'm basically just tapping and dragging these two shadows on the outer V here. Not adding any additional product, just making sure it's nice and smooth. Maybe right there where I seem to have a bald patch. I am so happy with how this is looking. I think it is absolutely beautiful. So I want to keep it fairly light here in the inner corner. Fix these so they're even. So all I'm going to do, I think, is just start with Chili, which of course is that lightest shade there. I'm just going to pick that up on a, just a little pencil brush. I really love the way this looks. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put on some liner and mascara, and then I will come back to show you the final look. So yet again, I have forgotten my inner corner highlight. For my inner corner highlight, I am just going to continue with a bit of Frozen here. And we're just going to put that right in the inner corner and then wrap it around under the lashes. I wanted to do that before I put mascara on.
Ooh, when did I get so blind?
And while we're here, why don't we go ahead and add a bit of a brow bone highlight. I'm just going to use my face highlighter today, which is the, what is this? The Kylie Ice Me Out. Kylie Ice Me Out. Okay. I did not purchase this. I got this as a free Ulta Diamond gift. I'm not big on Kylie Cosmetics. That's just me. We're just going to add a little bit of that here under the brow bone. Okay, so now I'm going to add my mascara and then I'll come back to show you the final lip. I'm going to leave my lip like this because, like I said, I am going to work today, so I have to wear a mask. There's no point in putting lipstick on. So here's the final look.
It's coming. Ooh, I should have heard faith calling, trying to pull me.
On my lower lashes, I used a combination of these two pencils. This one is Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in the shade Abyss, and this is the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in the shade Electric. I am still trying out this Lash Freak mascara from Urban Decay. It yesterday held up pretty well, but I didn't have it on a full day, but I didn't have any flaking or anything yesterday, so today will be a real test because I will have it on for many hours. Let's talk about this palette. I mean, this is so great. So this is the second time I've used it. I've used every single matte shade in here and all but this shimmer. This is the only one I have not used. And I'm impressed. I am really impressed. These blues blend out probably the I'm going to say it, probably the best of any blues that I've ever used. This dark blue here, single scoop, there was just not even a hint of patchiness with this. There was not a hint of that weirdness that you sometimes get with blue where you put it on its full pigment and you blend and then it really shears out. There was absolutely none of that at all. This shade here, Chili, oh my gosh, that's a pigmented like pastel blue. That is absolutely gorgeous. I was so impressed with that shade. And this one, I mean, goodness gracious, Sweet Tooth is delightful. It is so beautiful. I am so in love with this shade. I think it's gorgeous. I love the look that I did with this. And I mean, really honestly, for $18, if you're in the market for a blue palette, this is the one you should get. This is better than my ColourPop blue one. And I do love that one too, but I love this. I think this is beautiful. I'm so happy to have this in my collection. And with that, it is time for me to say goodbye because I do need to run out the door and go to work. And I still need to film an intro, and that often takes me a while. So I am going to say goodbye. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to hit that like button down below. While you're there, scooch on over, hit subscribe. Next to subscribe is that little bell. If you ring that bell, you'll be notified of all of my uploads. And of course, I'm on Instagram. You can find me there at @SeeMyBliss_beauty. I hope I will see you guys next time. If you leave your house today, please don't forget to wash your hands and wear your mask. So, so important. And of course, always be kind to your friends, your neighbor, your family, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.